Darling, I'm wasting a lot of years. But tonight your beauty's shining through, and I never took the time to let you know. So before he takes you away, please let me say, you you want him, it's easy to see. You look I wish you still want me. You look you want him, it's easy. You still want me. Hey man,
I picked that the song by the key. And I got this long list of songs that George sent out.
well, you did a hell of a job on it.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Man, it's so good to have you out this weekend, man. I can't tell you, we've been knowing each other for years and never have sung together. So this is the first time for us. So I could have been Kix Brooks, man.
Kix is doing his radio show, I guess, George.
I could do that too. Bring me to the ground, bring me to the curve.